Okay, 2019, here we are. I'm going to be very frank with you, so allow me to predict the future. And there's no guarantees, no promises. I'm not your financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So none of that. That's a disclaimer. But I don't really think that Trump or Edward Snowden, the New York Jets or Coca-Cola wars are very influential to your personal lifestyle, nor television series like One Life to Live or Dave Letterman kind of talk shows, the Kardashians, or NLP, Tony Robbins, and speakers like Les Brown or the Carnegies, the old-fashioned speakers like Brian Tracy, for example. They won't be a huge influence on your life any longer. It used to be, but not any longer. For a long time, we have even put our complete faith in religion, as well as our future in politics, Amway and MLM, or network marketing kind of organizations, or individuals, heroes like Steve Jobs, etc. Now, even that won't make a huge difference anymore in our near future. Then you have hard work and primaries or self-development courses with expressions like just do it and say I and all that nonsense. That even won't match with what we are about to launch. I believe and I predict that 2019 and 2020 in particular will be the beginning of at least 100 years artificial intelligence, autopilot, all done for you income software, robots and follow-up funnels. We are here. So throw away your books, your old records and weapons. Say bye-bye to old-fashioned events, PowerPoint presentations, home meetings, Zoom meetings. You don't necessarily have to recruit anymore or to do evangelizing or no auto ship offers or orders, no auto ship requirements any longer. You don't have to be codependent any longer to gurus or upline leaders, so to speak. So none of that hidden agenda and secret stuff any longer. The very nasty ways of marketing, the very nasty ways and days of indoctrination and secret marketing strategies are over. So none of that stuff any longer. Totally all done for you. Success guaranteed software, artificial intelligence software, robots and follow-up systems are here to stay. Completely all done for you. So make this your year of financial freedom to be clever, follow your heart and keep your dreams and aspirations in focus instead of the ways how to achieve them. So after many years we literally have artificial intelligence software, marketing software in our hands that will create a huge shockwave in the old-fashioned media marketing and specifically online marketing world. I truly believe that, from what I've seen anyway. So this is not just another flavor of the day new network marketing organization or some shitcoin ICO. Apologize to the language. It is true automation the way the internet should have been. So back to the future. No monthly subscription costs. No daily or monthly or weekly tasks like seeing videos or placing ads or placing social media, placing stuff on social media, or you don't even have to upgrade or maintain your account or whatever. We truly have all done for you 100% hands-free solutions to whether you want to use this system on its own, which is cool, it's totally self-containing, or when you want to really put your online presence of whatever you're promoting, whatever goods or services, to the next level. This is it. So automated team and business building software is being released right now. There's a limited time frame in where you can still claim a founder's position. This is the highest rank that can be given to you. And we're looking for leaders that are positive, big thinkers, no negative energy. So when you want to literally throw your heart into something instead of your head, this is an opportunity. We're looking for true leaders, action takers, people that are like-minded. And here you go. So I did the disclaimer, time limited. So take this opportunity, and then I'll see you and yours. Oh yeah, click links underneath this video when you want more video information. And if you're inspired, please click links underneath to get into more detailed information. Leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page. When you see this on a page where you can do so, you'll see this to the right of this video. Underneath this video, you see areas where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, so that we can send you appropriate video information and perhaps give you a personal introduction. And then get back to the person that invited you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. And that is a promise. And then thumbs up. Google loves this. What else? Become a member of this channel when you want to stay up to date with what is going on in the new world, the new artificial intelligence software world, or the crypto world, or perhaps other opportunities that are online. And I'll try to return the favor and become a member of your channel. And then last but not least, what else? Oh yeah, when you see this on YouTube, there's a little word spelled share underneath every YouTube video. When you click on that, social media icons pop up and you're able to share this video on your social media platforms if you like to. And when you want to use this video on your own channels, do so. Put your own links underneath, so be careful with sharing this video. You'll promote my links because they're in the article underneath this video. Rather use this video and rip it and put it on your own channel and put your own links underneath. That is obviously after registering and getting your affiliate links. And then I'll see you and yours definitely in the most beautiful, I'll see you and yours on our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, Skype calls, Zoom calls, events, clinics, wonderful outings and meetings all over the world. But I'll definitely see you in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon.